Today, we are going to tour 40174 West Brandt Drive in Maricopa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring the beautifully designed single-story Sawyer floor plan. With its bright open concept layout, modern features, and thoughtful design, this home is ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. 2 additional bedrooms are located at the front of the home, providing flexibility for guests, a home office, or additional living needs. Designed with energy-efficient features throughout, this home promotes a quieter and more comfortable living environment while helping reduce utility costs. Here we have an internal laundry, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The spacious kitchen is equipped with Energy Star appliances and flows seamlessly into the inviting living area, creating a comfortable gathering space for family and friends. The open design enhances the home's sense of space while allowing natural interaction between the main living areas. Outside, you'll find a spacious backyard featuring low-maintenance turf, decorative rock landscaping, and a large covered patio that is perfect for outdoor dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing and enjoying the Arizona weather. With its functional layout, energy-efficient design, attached garage, and private outdoor space, this home offers the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and modern style. The private primary suite is thoughtfully positioned at the back of the home, offering a peaceful retreat, complete with a large walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a walk-in shower. Schedule a tour today and see everything this beautiful home has to offer.